Hello guys, welcome to this channel, and in today's video we're going to be treating how to browse while on airplane mode. How to browse while on airplane mode. Are you the kind of person that you're too busy and you don't want people to really disturb you while you are doing some important things on your phone, or you are playing games on your phone and you don't want this calls to just be beeping in and coming in like that, and you want your privacy and you want to stay calm? So this video is going to be of help to you, and I want you to follow everything that we're going to be sharing in this video. But before we dive into the video, I want you to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and turn on that notification bell, because whenever I post a video like this, you'll be one of those that will get notified. I post videos like this on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays, so you don't want to miss out on those kind of videos that I'll be putting out. Valuable videos that will make your life much more easier and make your browsing and everything about making money online much more easier for you. Let's dive into the video. All right, so first and foremost, I want you to put this in mind that everything we're going to be doing today, I want you to follow it step by step, because if you miss a step, trust me, you're gonna miss all. All right, so let's dive into the video right away. And the first thing we're gonna do, and the first thing you're supposed to have noticed, is that my data is not on, and then I'm not yet on airplane mode. All right, so that's the first thing I'm going to be doing right now. I'm going to be turning on my data and then turning on the airplane mode, and then let's see how the magic works. All right, so the first thing, let me just turn on my data first. Let me turn on my data. So my data is turned on. So let me turn on the airplane mode right now. All right, so we've been able to turn on the two, that's the airplane mode and data connection. So the next thing is that you head onto your dialer, and you're going to type this code. This is where we're going to activate every magic mode activated right now. Right, so we're going to type star hash 4636, then hash star hash, then the last one is going to be star. So if I press my star now, you see what will happen. Let me press the star right now. Alright, so it brought me to this testing page, and what you want to click on, you have to click on the phone information. You don't need that. So from here, this is where the magic happens, and this is where we can activate everything that we're using. Alright, so we're gonna click you see this mobile radio power. Please don't touch any other thing there aside that. Don't touch any other thing there aside that. So click on activate mobile radio power, RMRP. So from here, you will notice that your connection is activated. Right, so let's head on back to my my browser. Let me use YouTube so that you can see it's working or not. So I'm still on airplane mode. Let's work or not. If I can still watch my videos or not. Wait for it to load. Alright, wait patiently. So as you can see, I can still browse while on airplane mode, and it is as easy as this. Alright, so this is the best way to do it, and I believe you are getting value from this. I hope this video really helps you, and if it really helps you and you really get value from this video, I will want you again to subscribe to this button, like this video. This is the way to suggest the video to other people that really love to learn about something like this, and you turn on that notification bell so that whenever I post videos on Mondays, whenever I post video on Wednesday, whenever I post video on Saturdays, you will be one of those that will get notified and get every bonus I'll be giving out in those videos. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.